Practice 6.3 will be a continuation of training modalities, where we're going to be looking at training systems. And like you did in practice 2, where you did some of the background information and presented a summary of what you found. Likewise, you will do the same thing for training systems. So what are training systems? It's basically how we utilize resistance training techniques to develop strength or hypertrophy. So maybe you've heard of some of these, maybe you've used these things, but again, since there's 11 of these and there's 11 of us in class, I'd like you to each select one. I suppose if you do a partner, you could each do one and present two, but we'll do the pyramid system, supersets, drop sets, lactic threshold training, negative sets, complex, contrast plyometric circuit, Tabata, and HIT. We'll go in this order, so I don't know if that will influence your decision making about which one you choose, but this will be the order I would like us to share it in. And again, basically what you're going to be doing is do a little background research, create some sort of presentation like a PowerPoint or otherwise that you can either present live in class or you can pre-record and show, but you're going to describe what the system is and how it's performed, kind of what's unique to this training system. How is it known? What are the most appropriate applications for using this training system? What is it about this training system that helps facilitate strength or hypertrophy gains? And how does this training system target the body or muscles in particularly? We've already talked about the different muscle fiber types, so how do these training systems target those muscle fibers? And we've also looked at energy systems. So again, how do these training systems utilize our energy systems? So pictures, graphs, videos, original pictures, they're strongly encouraged in your presentation. Again, it really shouldn't be more than 10 minutes tops. Right, we got about, an hour and 30 minutes in class or so. So 10 minutes would be the max I'd like you to present this information.